Hello and welcome to this session. In this particular module, we'll be learning about inspection of welds using weld gauge. The objectives we will achieve during the completion of this module as stated. Use weld gauges for inspection of welds. Check the concave or convex of fillet weld profile. Check the leg length or weld thickness. This module will survey some of the gauges most frequently used in visual welding inspections to assure the weld's quality. Incorrect weld size and contour are defects.
Cleaning of the weld surface using a wire brush.
Clean the surface of the weld and adjacent 25 mm area, dry and free from oil, water, excessive slags or other contaminations that would interfere with the weld gauges.
Fillet weld leg length.
Fillet weld leg length is the distance from the joint root to the toe of the fillet weld. There are several types of gauges used in measuring fillet weld sizes. Measurement of the leg length of the fillet weld using AWS automatic weld size gauge. The fillet weld gauge is one of the easiest gauge to use and is helpful to check weld for fillet leg size. This type of gauge will typically include 7 or more leaves or pieces. To check leg length, we will have to select a leaf or fillet weld gauge that meets our required size and place it against the weld as shown in the figure. If there is a gap between the gauge and the toe
of the weld,
then it is an undersized weld. Cam type master gauge. Another type of stainless steel gauge widely used for measuring fillet weld leg length. The leg size of the fillet weld is observed on the graduated scale of the gauge. This is the leg size of the fillet weld. The throat is the shortest distance from the root to the face of the weld. Now let's measure the actual fillet weld throat size using the meter side on the multipurpose cam type gauge. Extend the slide as far as it will go and place the tip of the slide on the face of the weld. Lower the gauge until it squarely contacts the surface of both plates. The actual throat size is then read from the scale. Convexity. The maximum distance from the face of a convex fillet weld perpendicular to a line joining the weld toes. When the amount of this convexity is excessive, the notch created at the weld toe could result in toe cracking.
Measurement of convex fillet weld size using AWS weld gauge.
Place the gauge against the vertical plate of fillet weld joint. Ensure 45-degree sides are in contact with both vertical and bottom plate of fillet weld joint. Slide the pointer to rest over the weld face. Observe the measurement on graduated scale on coincidence with slide mark. Record the measurement to find out the acceptable size of weld reinforcement. Concavity. The maximum distance from the face of a concave fillet weld perpendicular to a line joining the weld toes. Concavity is only considered detrimental when it results in an undersized weld.
Measurement of concave fillet weld size using AWS weld gauge.
Place the gauge against the vertical plate of fillet weld joint. Ensure the 45-degree sides are in contact with vertical and horizontal plate of fillet weld joint. Slide the pointer to rest over the concave weld face. Observe the measurement on graduations and coincidence with slide mark. Record the measurement to find out the acceptable size of weld reinforcement. Weld reinforcement. Weld metal in excess of the quantity required to fill a groove or butt weld. It is that amount of weld metal in a groove weld that is above the base metal surface. Reinforcements which are excessive tend to produce significant notch effects at the toe of the weld, which act as stress raisers and can produce cracking in service. Measurement of the weld reinforcement using Aws weld gauge. To determine the reinforcement of a groove weld, place the gauge so that the reinforcement will come between the leg of the gauge and slide the pointer out until it touches the face of the weld. Observe the measurement and record accordingly. In this module, we have learned about dimensional inspection of weld using weld gauge, usage of weld gauges for the inspection of welds, to check the concave or the convex of the fillet weld profile, to check the leg length or throat thickness or size, measuring reinforcement on a butt welded joint. This brings us to the end of this session. Hope you have understood all the concepts. See you in the next session.